today I am going thrift shopping with Drew.
Hey, it's me.
And we are gonna try and find as many thrifted pieces as we can. I'm looking for home decor as well as clothing, and Drew's probably just gonna focus on fashion.
Yeah.
But if he sees something he likes, he'll get it. So let's go thrifting. Guys, look how pretty this mirror is. Like, oh my gosh. This is really pretty. It's like all made of seashells. I found these and I could easily just cut this off and it could be like the perfect pair of high-waisted jeans. And they are Levi's. A nice Brandy Melville option for $3.99. This is a really big size. So this isn't my size, but it's linen, and linen is so trendy right now. I feel like I can have it altered, and it's cool because it has shorts under. It's like a little skirt. Oh my god, is that the Globe shirt?
Yeah.
Oh, I saw the front and I was like, oh, the back is so funny.
I know, I was like, it's kind of funny.
Wait, that's good. You'll have to purchase that.
Look at this nice vintage shirt.
That's so pretty.
I know.
Oh, you got good stuff.
I know, it's because I'm chic and trendy.
Drew found this and he doesn't want to get it because he doesn't need it, and I don't either, but it's $5.99 and it's YSL, so I'm purchasing it. This is like a vintage shirt. It would be kind of cute for 4th of July. Like kind of tie it up at the waist. $4.99, might get this. Round 2, now we are at Goodwill. So I had another successful shopping trip. Drew, not so much. The home decor section was so bad, but now I am gonna go home and film a haul for you guys so you can see everything that I bought. Now that I am back from the 2 thrift stores that I went to, I wanted to share what I got with you guys. So starting off, I was only able to find 2 decor pieces, but these were exactly what I was looking for, so I'm so excited about it. I got a new dresser recently and I wanted something like vintage to put on top of it, and these 2 pieces are exactly what I needed. So these are both from Salvation Army. This first thing is this like vintage silver bowl, and this was $3. It does say Western Region 25 years 1983 on it, so it's from the 80s, which I think is super cool. The thing about pieces like this is, I know this looks really tarnished. You could restore this back to the silver if you really wanted to take your time and polish it. I personally love like the rustic vintage look. That's what I was going for. And then this tray that I got was $4, and it's just a glass tray. It looks kind of like, you know, those vintage silver trays, but it's all glass. And these together, I'm just gonna put on top of my nightstand with like my everyday essentials, my watch, a diffuser, some essential oils, like, and then in here I think I'm just gonna put some like dried flowers. So happy about both of these finds. So sticking with Salvation Army, since I found the most items there, I have been totally lusting after one of those teddy coats that are like super furry and they look like a teddy bear. I know you guys have seen them all over Instagram. I actually bought one and I ended up returning it because it never got cold here in California. I couldn't really justify like purchasing it. It doesn't get super cold all the time and it was pretty expensive. So this is kind of like my cheap alternative, and this was $6. It is a faux suede, which is awesome. I'm so excited about that, but it looks really good quality and it's the same color and I feel like it does the job. And this was by the brand Caesar. But I just love the fit of this. It fits very oversized and I can't wait to style this. The next thing that I got is this linen skirt, and the second I saw it, I was getting Reformation vibes. They have a lot of linen pieces that I love. And when I first saw this, it said that it was a size 10 and I'm a size 2. But I realized that I could always just have this taken in, and it did look like someone shrank this. It looks big, but it doesn't look like a true size 10. And sure enough, when I tried it on, it almost fits. It definitely could have a few like inches taken off, but it stays up well enough that I paired it with one of the other things in this haul that I will show you, and it's just like the cutest outfit. And this was $3.24. This next shirt was $3 and it's from the men's section. I just love like the red, white, and blue, and I thought this would be great for 4th of July because when 4th of July comes around, everyone is wearing like the exact same pieces that they picked up from like Target or Forever 21. So the fact that this is vintage, and I can either cut this and make it cropped or tie it in the front, and for $3 this is perfect because 4th of July, you know, you don't want to keep something and like spend a ton of money on it because it is seasonal, and I could still wear this like all year round. This next shirt was around $5, I believe, and the second I saw it, I just instantly thought of Saved by the Bell. It was one of my favorite shows growing up. Still to date is one of my favorite shows. Has a very like 80s vibe to it, so I love this. It's really flowy and billowy, and you can again cut it and crop it, tie it in the front, wear it with some high-waisted shorts, and this is gonna be like the perfect spring and summer outfit. And then the last thing that I got from Salvation Army, this actually rang up $3. You guys saw me talk about it before. This is a YSL shirt, and for $3, like, it's worth it to even just use the little patch that's in here for something. But it is a nice shirt, and I think that you could style this in many different ways, and it's super awesome. $3 for a YSL shirt, you can't go wrong. Then from Goodwill, I only got 2 items because they really didn't have much, and Goodwill I felt like was a lot more expensive than Salvation Army, and they didn't have a great selection, but I got this Ralph Lauren petite shirt. It's just a dark flannel. This is more obviously like fall vibes, but I feel like I could still wear it, and I have like no flannels. Right now I kind of got rid of them all, so I was in need of picking up like a new one that I really liked, and this was like $7. And then the next shirt that I got is just a chambray shirt that I got from the men's section, and it's super oversized, but I absolutely love the way that it looks with that skirt that I got. So this is like, was like $6.49, and the skirt was like $3.24, so it's like a cute outfit for around $10. Like, you can't really go wrong. And I just love the oversized fit of this. I was looking for more like denim jackets, but they honestly didn't have that many. So that was everything I picked up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more thrifting videos like this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!